how to make this large clock size on your iPhone iOS 26 version. So okay guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, let's start. So okay guys, if your clock is small, so if you want to get the larger clock on your lock screen, okay, you'll have to do is first is, okay, tap on your screen, and now you can see the clock is small. Okay, to get this big, you'll have to do is press and hold on the screen, and now you can see here the customize button below. Okay, you can tap this, and now you can see the clock is small. So to large this, okay, you'll have to do is tap this, and now you can see here the font style of this clock. If you want to get larger this clock, okay, select the fonts on the left side. So this is the only one fonts to get the clock larger. And after you select this font, okay, now you can see here the resizer icon on this clock. Okay, you can tap and slide down to larger the clock size. Okay, after that, tap the done button, and now your clock is now big.